Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up .NET with Visual Studio Code and how to create a .NET application on Visual Studio Code by following its official documentation. So let's get started. To setting up Visual Studio Code for .NET development, you must install Visual Studio Code on your system. Open Microsoft Store, search for Visual Studio Code, select Visual Studio Code, click on the install button. It may take a while for installing Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. Now open Visual Studio Code and install C# DevKit extension. Search here C# DevKit developed by Microsoft. Select this extension and then click on install. Another two extensions will be installed within the C# DevKit. Installed successfully. Now I am going to set up .NET with Visual Studio Code. Let's get started with C# DevKit. Now you can sign in with your Microsoft account. If you have a Visual Studio subscription, you can get information about your subscription after you have signed in. I already have signed in. Okay. Now set up your environment. If you don't have installed .NET on your system, let's verify that you already have installed .NET on your system using this command. So open terminal. If you installed .NET on your system, you should see the version of the .NET SDK that you have installed. I don't have installed it on my machine, so I am going to install .NET SDK directly from Visual Studio Code. So click on this install .NET SDK button. Now select the version. This is the latest version of .NET SDK. You can install older version that you want to install. Okay, click here to install. It may take a while for downloading and installing .NET SDK on your system. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes option. That's it. .NET SDK 9 installed successfully. Now open command prompt and verify the installation. That's it. Let's open your folder where you want to store the newly created project. I am going to open a folder from desktop. I'm going to name this folder code, then select the folder. Now I am going to create a .NET project. Click on the choose project template. Now select .NET new project. Now select C# dev kit. If you see this, no install .NET SDK was found on the computer. Restart Visual Studio Code and then select this option. Now select template. I am going to select ASP.NET Core Web App MVC. Now write the project name. I am going to name it and then enter to confirm your input or escape to cancel. The project will be created in this directory location. So select the default directory or you can choose another directory. The project has been created successfully. Click on the mark done. Okay. Now I am going to run this project. So open programs.cs file and go to the top right corner of the editor. Here you will find a drop down icon next to run or debug button. Click on this icon and then select the option run project associated with this file. That's it. ASP.NET Core Web Application runs successfully on a local server within the port number 5208. I am going to modify the home. Now reload. Now I am going to stop the development server and run again. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.